come join us on the Agile Network Global Launch, Tuesday 8th of October, Wednesday 9th of October, where 80 experts will get together with live streams, announcements, coffees, offers, previews, roundtables, resources, panel events. And the best news, it's all free! Free! Guess what that price is? Free! Unbelievable! But that's not the best news. The best news is Paul, Goddard and I have got together to create something unique and amazing in the world of Agile content. Good morning, Agile Network with Paul and Nigel. Yes, on Wednesday, October 9th, 10 a.m. to lunchtime UK time, we are going to visit the concept of a breakfast TV show and give it an agile spin. Everything you can imagine about mid-morning TV, we're bringing to you. 2 hours live for you. Agile Network news. What's going on in the world of Agile today? We're going to interview with Ask the Experts about their own individual topics. Agile Network weather. We're going to forecast the future of Agile. We're going to have Good Morning Travel, talk about where you should be going next year. Workshop Wizards for facilitation tricks and tips. The pilot episode and Iterate and Play, Agile simulations and games. Improv, people! Dear Agile Network, will be needing you to deal with your problems and confessions. And What's On, we'll be talking about what's on the network over the next few weeks. We've got the Agile Book Club, and we're going to follow that up finally with the Good Morning Agile Network Daily Quiz. So join us, Good Morning Agile Network, 10 a.m. to lunchtime, Wednesday UK time, October 9th on the Agile Network.